Number 8, this is my favorite. This is where I'm kind of really learning to do this even for myself. And that is to delegate your tasks, your responsibilities, your chores, whatever the case may be. Now, even if you're single, this is applicable to you. So what I have personally done in my life is hired a personal assistant. There are things that I should not be doing, I don't have a desire to do, or I really am limited in my time and I just need some help getting things done. So for me, that looks like doing some of my grocery shopping, going back to do some of my returns for projects and things like that. Delegate some of your tasks or some of the things that are on your plate so that you don't have to do them all, right? And every single day you should be delegating something. So if you have a family, this is probably even going to be easier for you. Delegate some of the chores, delegate to your spouse, to your children, whomever else is sharing the space with you. Delegate tasks and responsibilities to relieve you of relieve some of your plate, but then also to allow you to be more organized on a day-to-day basis.